We always get the question, do you have any good deer hunting property in Kentucky for sale?
This is the one that everybody asks about. This is it, 130.
Hey everybody, it's Travis Daniel, Southeastern Land Group. I'm here with my teammate and good friend Adam Newton up here in Kentucky. Adam, we always get the question, do you have any good deer hunting property in Kentucky for sale?
This is the one that everybody asks about. This is it, 130 acres in Muhlenberg County, Kentucky, right outside a little community called Belton. It's a beautiful property. We're about halfway back on the property. As you can see, there's a year-round creek here behind us. The property's been strictly managed for whitetails over the last 5 years. It's a pretty good property.
Yeah.
This area is known in Muhlenberg County for some bigger deer. The owner has got a history of some pretty nice deer in the area.
So when we were coming in, I noticed several nice feeders and stands. What can you tell us about those?
So the property's gonna come turnkey with 6 pretty nice ladder stands. They're Novix Raiders is the brand. There's 2 capsule 1,000-pound spin feeders and also 3 gravity feeders. So the property's gonna come turnkey. There's also a 30 by 40 pole barn just off site from the property that will come with the property. It sits on 0.84 acres, about 300 yards from the entrance. So, I mean, as far as the property is concerned, somebody could pull their camper in, back it in the barn and be ready to hunt.
And that's exactly what the current owner's doing, right? He's got his 5th wheel in the barn and drives down from out of state and stays in it, and that's right. Comes down and hunts.
The barn's got water and power to it, so yeah, you can back your camper right in, be ready to go.
Yeah. In relation to major cities in Kentucky, what are we close to?
So we're just south of Drakesboro, would probably be the biggest, closest, and then get a little bit bigger from that. Greenville and Central City's probably 15 minutes away. So Walmart's close. Everything's close, but the way this property sits, the property's back off the road. And one thing that's really neat about this property is the road that enters the property is actually part of the property. It's not just an easement to access the property.
Right, that's valuable. So the current owner, he's owned it for, I think he told us, what, 5 years? What's he done as far as management plan and with the forester?
The property owner has managed the property for whitetail. He really enjoys deer hunting. So he's come in, they had a wildlife biologist come in. They've established bedding areas that he does not go into, doesn't enter. There's great transition areas out of those bedding areas. There's also a power line that literally cuts the whole property north to south. So the property's only been bow hunted for the last 5 years, but if a person were to rifle hunt this property, I believe they could probably have some pretty good success. I'm Adam Newton with Southeastern Land Group. Feel free to give me a call at 270-298-8272 to set up a showing today.